pocket knives are usually small, practical tools, but some take luxury to the next level. From handcrafted Damascus steel to knives made with gold, diamonds, and rare materials, these are the 5 most expensive pocket knives in the world. Some of these knives are worth more than a luxury car, and one even costs over $500,000. The Chris Reeve Sebenza 31 Damascus is a premium pocket knife that combines craftsmanship with cutting-edge materials. It features a Damascus steel blade, known for its unique wave-like patterns, and a titanium handle for durability. Smooth, reliable, and made with precision, this knife is a favorite among collectors and starts at over $1,000. The William Henry Monarch B12 is not just a tool, it's a piece of art. It features a hand-forged Damascus steel blade, a titanium frame, and rare decorative materials like mother-of-pearl, gemstones, or even fossilized mammoth tooth. Each knife is handcrafted, making it one of the most sought-after collectibles, with prices reaching over $3,000. Swiss Army knives are known for their practicality, but one special edition by Victor Inox takes things to a whole new level. This luxury Swiss Army knife is covered in solid gold and decorated with diamonds. While it has multiple tools like a regular Swiss Army knife, its stunning craftsmanship makes it more of a collector's item than an everyday carry. This exclusive knife is valued at over $70,000. The Nesmutger 100 Messer is a masterpiece of German engineering. The blade is crafted from hard carbon steel for extreme sharpness, while the handle is made of solid platinum and adorned with a rare diamond. Designed as a collector's item, this knife is a perfect blend of elegance and functionality, with the price tag exceeding $100,000. The most expensive knife in the world is the King Tut Dagger by Buster Warinsky. This handcrafted masterpiece is a replica of King Tutankhamun's dagger, featuring gold, precious stones, and the highest quality steel. It took years to create, and today, it remains one of the most valuable knives ever made, with an estimated worth of over $500,000. Which of these knives impressed you the most? Would you